Step into the extraordinary with Smart Tech. Join us as we navigate through the world of heavy equipment and innovative agriculture machines. The Comtech Top Turn X is a robust compost windrow turner engineered with the proven functionality of the larger Comtech machines, packed into a scale perfect for small and medium-sized composting operations. This machine is designed to effectively turn and aerate compost windrows, resulting in faster and more efficient decomposition. The Comtech Top Turn X is equipped with a powerful engine and heavy-duty drum, making it capable of processing large amounts of compost material in a short amount of time. The Nexat is a tractor with interchangeable structures designed in Germany. This is a universal combine that replaces all agricultural machinery. He can plow, sow, fertilize, and harvest. The Nexat system tractor is designed as an autonomous machine and is equipped with an environmental monitoring system. Process control is carried out from a rotating cabin. This creates the basis for a fully automated operation of the machine and allows the vehicle to be operated manually only during transport. The Grimm SC 260 is a specialized potato harvester designed to efficiently and effectively harvest potatoes on a large scale. This powerful machine is built to handle tough conditions and deliver high yields with minimal waste, making it an ideal tool for commercial potato farmers. This potato harvester is also highly customizable. These include advanced monitoring systems, variable speed controls, and specialized picking heads for different potato varieties. Meet the Smart Hauler from RB Engineering NQ. Their modern and rather unconventional Smart Hauler is a product of the highest quality manufacturing and engineering. It incorporates state-of-the-art cooling, transmission, engine, and axles. The best components were chosen to create a machine that is easy to operate and maintain. And the elevators themselves are more than meets the eye. They're designed to move large volumes of loads with excellent control, no crumbling, and low wear. It's the little things that make the difference. The AgZeed robot tractor is an innovative and intelligent machine designed for precision farming. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence that enable it to navigate autonomously and perform various farming tasks with high accuracy. It's also equipped with safety features such as obstacle detection and emergency stop that ensure safe operation. In 2015, Carr presented the first version of the Anatis crop care robot, and in 2017, the model was upgraded. The autonomous robot is designed not only for mechanical tillage, but also for continuous monitoring of soil conditions and plant health, which helps the farmer to make more efficient technological decisions. Today, we're going to discuss a machine designed to work in a greenhouse. Grow is a fully automated system that performs many functions. The main one is picking ripe tomatoes, and not only. Using algorithms of three-dimensional and machine vision, the robot selects ripe vegetables and grabs them with a special manipulator, the patented structure of which allows harvesting without damaging the crop. All harvested tomatoes are immediately put into crates by the integrated packing system. Convenient, fast, and efficient. Now you see the Oxbow 5170 self-propelled leaf cutter, which is the most technologically advanced and innovative machine of its class on the market. Its unique chassis, based on the TS4 toolbox, has been designed for cutting operations. With a folding back boom for truck transportation and a transport speed of 25 miles per hour, this model of equipment wastes no time in the field. In the field, the detector vision system keeps the necessary cutters and pullers in perfect position. Among the new features, there's a new built-in 12-inch color touchscreen for quick and accurate control of operations. The economical and powerful 4.5-liter John Deere PowerTech Tier 4 engine makes this machine a real technological monster. Bucket Mouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a tracked base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The HS572 sewer saw from ConnectTech Universal is a heavy-duty skid steer attachment that removes the collar and adjacent areas of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. It dramatically reduces manhole cover repair time, typically 10 to 20 minutes on concrete and twice as fast on asphalt. The technique features a 14-inch deep cutout, improved positioning, and additional centering arms. It includes heavy-duty hydraulic motors, hydraulically powered breakaway function, no rocking or breakaway of the loader, and 45 carbide-tipped cutters for cutting concrete, asphalt, and brick. The potato washing, grading, and optical sorting line by Tong Engineering is a comprehensive solution for processing potatoes in large quantities. Optical sorting is an advanced technology used in potato processing, which utilizes cameras and software to sort potatoes according to size, shape, and color. The system is designed to identify and remove defects such as bruises or discolorations, ensuring that only high-quality potatoes are packaged for sale. The new RoboCut is based on a proven concept, innovation, and the most advanced technology to lead the market. The machine is rewarded with a 56 horsepower diesel engine, lower center of gravity, high slope capacity, and double safety arches. RoboCut provides maximum stability on any terrain thanks to its ideal 50-50 weight distribution. The concern called Class, which is one of the fundamental producers of agricultural machinery worldwide, showed how their new machines work. The model range consisted of 3 units: the Quadrant, the Axion, and of course, the Torion. You don't even need any words to realize how powerful, efficient, and productive these machines are. The John Deere Model 339 bale baler is characterized by its exceptional reliability. From the pickup to the discharge chute, every component works like clockwork. No other machine of its kind is designed to stack bales like bricks. The proven system with a constant crop flow ensures that the rectangular bales are pressed at a higher density. As a result, they're easier to handle, store, and transport, while the quality of the material is maintained at a high level. Aggregation with tractors makes these balers even more efficient. You get high throughput with the same power. The availability of spare parts and timely service guarantees trouble-free operation, making the purchase of a John Deere baler a sound investment. Spearings has delivered the world's largest electric mobile crane that can be operated from a 16-amp zero-emission outlet. The heavy crane weighs 72 tons, stands 216 feet tall, and has a lifting capacity of 10 tons, and can be operated from a conventional electrical outlet. Thanks to the integrated battery pack, power consumption peaks can be smoothed out. If the crane is not used for a few seconds, the hydraulic pumps shut down, reducing energy consumption. If there is no mains connection, the crane can also be operated in hybrid mode, where a small 3-cylinder Stage 5 diesel engine together with a battery pack will provide the crane with the necessary power. To set up the crane must first be placed on short outriggers for positioning the mats by remote control. The crane lifts itself, the tower extends, and the boom unfolds by pressing a single button on the remote control. Exactly 11 minutes after the crane has been placed on the outriggers, it's ready for operation. In gardening, several operations can be optimized at the same time. Forming beds, laying the hose for irrigation, fertilizing, weeding, laying polyethylene or biofilm, or tamping. The Cosmico Adjustable Bed Former is an excellent machine for the final preparation of the soil for sowing, the last and most important stage in soil tillage. This set of units helps to eliminate increased soil density effectively by restoring soil porosity and promoting air and water circulation. As a result, you can expect rapid germination and optimum growing conditions for many crops that require this special but effective method of cultivation. The plow machine you see on your screens has a really high performance. It is reliable and easy to use. There's no doubt about that. At the same time, you can also be sure of unrivaled plowing quality. After all, you can be sure that this is also an important factor. The Dredge King is the largest dredging boat, which is particularly versatile for land clearing and various dredging operations. The 4 hydraulic rods ensure high stability during operation. Thanks to the optimal use of the paddles, this equipment can be loaded independently, so there is no need for an additional crane system. The Markrist Swing Max is an innovative solution that can help farmers save time and money when baling hay. With this system, farmers can produce twice as many bales with one less person and tractor, which can greatly reduce your labor and equipment costs. With its easy-to-use design and impressive performance, it's a great investment for any farmer or agricultural professional looking to optimize their operations. ASA Lift is the world leader in cabbage harvesting machines, and their TK Series cabbage harvester is world-class. Here is the trailed version of the TK1000. Cabbage can either be stacked manually into containers or fed via a conveyor belt to the trailer on the side of the combine. The row spacing for the combine harvester must be at least 60 centimeters. Daily throughput is up to 1.5 hectares, depending on conditions, model, row spacing, types of bunches, yield, etc. The harvester can be equipped with an optional add-on. The combine can be additionally equipped with various equipment to optimize performance under the given conditions. Durability and reliability under the toughest working conditions have made the Roland 520 series the best-selling hay baler in the world. The reinforced rollers, sophisticated chain lubrication system, and maximum pressure system, or MPS, in the tailgate ensure that this will continue to be the case. The proven Roland fixed baling chamber concept is constantly being improved and refined by the engineers. In the new generation machines, they've entirely changed the design. The new lines make it clear at a glance. One of the most powerful presses in the world is at work here. Whether twine or net, with the Roland 520, you get it right. The new net tying system is more reliable than ever and saves a lot of time. Tying is fully automatic and takes only a few seconds. The well-designed net feed guarantees a tight tie across the entire width, as well as a strong edge tie. This high tunnel harvester is designed specifically to meet the needs of olive growers and processors. The Oxbow 6420 olive harvester has proven itself in numerous field trials when harvesting, cleaning, and transporting olives in a variety of conditions. The model is equipped with a low-mounted turbocharged John Deere engine with 173 horsepower, which provides high performance and exceptional stability. Renowned manufacturer Fecon has released a new mulching tractor, the FTX 200 model. It fully complies with the standard, which includes the Fecon Power Management System, providing unparalleled power and performance in the 200 horsepower class. A powerful beast, I must say. The Algae Demo Project is an innovative project aimed to promote the growth and sustainability of the seaweed industry by providing real-time monitoring of the seaweed farms. One of the key benefits of the Algae Demo Project is that it'll enable seaweed farmers to monitor their crops more efficiently and accurately. This will help them to identify potential problems early on and take on corrective measures to ensure the best possible harvest. On construction sites where bridges are built, the work is always active. For successful results, special purpose machines are used to create the foundations for the piers, install the shunts, and fix the excavation. Here, for example, foundation works are carried out with the help of a large LB drilling rig. And for creating sheet piles, the LRB Model 125 XL is used. And believe me, there's a lot to see. The new range of QRX V-type wheel rakes with 12, 14, or 16 wheels is a user-friendly machinery with a sturdy frame, thus ensuring splendid productivity in terms of both quantity and quality. Another significant advantage of this equipment lies in its relative compactness, providing enhanced maneuverability in narrow spaces and on uneven terrain. See and Spray is the next generation of Blue River technology. See and Spray machines use deep learning so they can identify a wide variety of plants, both crops and weeds, with greater accuracy and then make crop management decisions on the spot. Blue River Technology specifically developed such a machine for use in the agricultural sector, and believe me, it can replace humans at certain stages of plant cultivation. This will improve growing efficiency and reduce labor costs. With 2 tanks, farmers can use 2 independent mixtures to simultaneously spread residual herbicide to prevent future weeds and simultaneously spray emerging weeds with herbicide. 2 solutions applied simultaneously in one pass are used here. The Svettruck TMF 2821 is a powerful and efficient heavy-duty forklift specifically designed for heavy timber unloading operations. When paired with the Volvo FH12 6x2 timber truck, it forms a robust and highly capable combination for the timber industry. This forklift is designed for timber yards and logging sites, where it's required to handle large and heavy logs with ease. The Volvo FH12 timber truck is designed to transport timber efficiently and securely. If you're looking for a skid steer rock picker with extra power, look no further than the Hymac Extreme Duty Rock Picker. This model, when paired with a telehandler, will really boost productivity and truly simplify the use of the machine, which boasts a sturdy one-piece bar design along with a built-in high-torque motor for fast rock picking. Such a machine will be able to handle workloads of up to 5,180 pounds to significantly reduce work time and get rocks out of the ground. Today, more and more companies are trying to use old plastic in their new developments, and one of the promising areas is the construction of roads from recycled plastic. Household waste, disposable tableware, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. Tests have shown that plastic roads are more resistant to weather and temperatures. They showed better durability and require minimal maintenance. They have a higher uptime, and compared to asphalt and concrete pavements, plastic pavements do not produce wide cracks and potholes. Plus, these pavements stay smoother longer, require less maintenance, and are better at absorbing sound. This trimming machine from an Italian company called Orlandi makes gardening look easy. The trimmers can cut hedges and plants into perfect spheres within seconds. They come with adjustable frames, allowing the gardener to set the cutting height to match their plants. A 2-row carrot harvester operates by pulling the carrots out of the ground, removing the tops, and then cleaning and sorting the carrots for further processing or packaging. It's typically a self-propelled machine that can be operated by a single person. It's equipped with a series of blades or knives that cut the carrot tops off at the soil level, leaving only the carrots themselves protruding from the soil. The machine then uses a series of belts or conveyors to lift the carrots out of the ground and deposit them onto a sorting table. The mobile chipper Genshem 820DQ from Noller Landschaftsflieger impresses with its high-performance potential. The chipping drum is driven directly by an auxiliary engine. All other components, the crane and discharge fan, are powered by the truck's engine. The helix rotor guarantees particularly smooth machine operation. The new breakage protection on the counterknife significantly reduces the risk of failure in the event of foreign objects. This is a complete production line for the processing of apples, from bin unloading to palletizing by Berg machinery. The production line starts with the bin unloading system filled with apples. The apples are then transported to the washing and sorting system, where they're cleaned and sorted according to size and quality. Overall, Berg Machinery's production line for apples is a reliable and efficient solution for fruit processing. A snow groomer is a self-propelled vehicle on tracks, based on the design of a tractor. This type of transportation is intended for preparing ski trails and mountain snow-covered slopes, transporting people and rescue operations. The movement of the vehicle is provided by wide tracks with spikes, ensuring stability and allowing it to move on snowy mountain slopes. The tracks are over 1 meter wide, exerting little pressure on the snow and providing excellent stability on mountain slopes. Kuhn has introduced its largest mower, and its significant advantage lies in its ability to mow large areas while significantly reducing fuel consumption and labor. The mower is also equipped with a convenient conveyor that transports the cut material into rows of specified size. What does this provide? Well, it simply allows the farmer to fully utilize the potential of the mower. The agricultural rock picker for ATV is a specialized attachment designed to be used with an all-terrain vehicle, or ATV, for clearing rocks and debris from agricultural fields. Its powerful hydraulic system and robust components allow it to handle a wide range of rock sizes and shapes, while its adjustable settings and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate and customize to meet specific needs. Before you is a popular crawler scissor elevator from Almac. This mobile machine is powered by a Honda IGX 390 gasoline engine, and its maximum working height is 315 inches. This crawler has a self-leveling and multi-loader system, which allows it to remain stable even in the presence of slopes. Thanks to its compact size and tracked undercarriage, it's possible to work in all conditions, on rough terrain or in confined spaces inside buildings. The machine fully complies with all applicable standards for lifting people and is manufactured in accordance with the UNI-EN ISO 9001 guidelines. The 4 new VB3200 models combine the best of Kuhn's proven round baler concepts with new features and extensive configuration options. Large farmers and contractors will like the VB3260 and the VB3290 models best. They're designed for versatility, optimum productivity, and profitability. These balers offer up to 10% higher bale density in dry crops thanks to the newly introduced Progressive Density Plus option. And the VB3255 and the VB3285 balers are designed especially for farmers who want a versatile and powerful machine that's easy to operate. Their proven suction and baler chamber concept, combined with a simple but sophisticated design, ensures reliability and productivity in a wide variety of crops. Mobile firewood processing has been revolutionized by the introduction of the saw-splitting machine SpaltFix K Vario, manufactured by Posch Liebnitz. This innovative machine offers efficient and versatile firewood processing capabilities on the go, making it a valuable asset for professionals in the forestry and firewood industry. The machine combines the functions of a saw and a log splitter, eliminating the need for separate equipment and significantly increasing productivity. After the logs are cut, the SpaltFix K Vario automatically moves them to the splitting chamber. Here's what Jade's largest TMR mixer looks like, designed to mix and transport more than 1,000 cubic feet or 32 meters cubed of TMR. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feeding lots. The machine is available with any of the company's patented augers. Choose from sliding plate augers, ideal for fast, low-powered feed processing, or slant blade augers when heavier loading is preferred, such as when processing dense meat. Arielleland has finally released an enhanced range of combined seed drills called eDrill Maxi Plus. With these titans, simultaneous seeding of cereal crops and fertilization can be efficiently carried out. What could be more convenient? Moreover, in 2020, their equipment was honored with the prestigious Machine of the Year award in the field of agricultural machinery. In front of you is a folding topper for potatoes and carrots from Baselier. The 2X hydraulic Halm toppers with rear-mounted SAT2 with 2 hydraulic hoses has 2 pneumatic wheels on the topper side, 120 horsepower gearbox, 1150 RPM rotary rotor, and a W2500 PTO shaft. The manufacturer also awarded the machine with special reflectors in the rear and LED lighting for transportation on public roads. This folding top crusher has 8 working rows, which allows you to quickly and qualitatively process the land in just one pass. In addition, the technique is equipped with cup nozzles with compression rings. These 2 Vermeer trailed mowers are ideal for operators who want to cut more hay in less time, thanks to cutting widths from 17.7 to 19.3 feet and a transportation width of 9 feet. The models are equipped with all of the convenient features that make operation, transportation, and maintenance hassle-free. The 10 Series trailed mowers also feature Q3 shaft-driven cutters that help maximize performance and make the mowers more economical with minimal gearing. In addition, the cutter bar is backed by Vermeer's 3-year warranty. Attention friends! You are about to see a special development for Krohn's Steerable Farms with a new EasyCut connecting frame. The machine allows you to connect 2 trailed mowers with a central drawbar. In turn, this makes it possible to achieve maximum efficiency for farming and controlled traffic. The Hysoon 380 is the most advanced skid steer loader, providing even higher productivity on the job site. The loader features effortless and smooth operation, increased dump height, and an industry-standard quick-release hitch that is compatible with other leading brands. More than 30 attachments can be fitted, making the Hysoon 380 a truly versatile machine for the job at hand. High torque and 4-wheel drive allow for the machine to work in extremely maneuverable conditions with minimal space. Leading features such as night work lights, USB cell phone jack, horn, folding rear platform, easy access to service points, and lockable fuel tank lid make the Hysoon 380 a leader in its class. The new Tomra 5B unit is a key component in the production process for the ready-made Spanish omelets at the Funes plant. This cutting-edge technology provides accurate and efficient sorting of the potatoes used in the omelets, ensuring that only the highest quality potatoes are used. The unit's advanced sensors and software are able to detect and remove any defects or foreign objects, ensuring that the end product is consistent and meets the desired quality standards. The multi-axle soil loosener and manure spreader from Nunn Industries is a real tank of large capacity with unbeatable maneuverability and flotation. Such an innovative novelty has an electronic control system, which greatly simplifies its use. Since its appearance in the agricultural industry, its simple and rugged design has gained popularity in the market, both because of its unpretentiousness in maintenance and its absolute reliability. The machine is available in several capacity configurations, ranging from 10,000 to 16,000 gallons. See for yourself how confidently and efficiently this powerful machine performs in the field. This mini harvester creates mini haystacks. Commander 1 is a cabbage harvester designed for high-performance harvesting in large fields. It's manufactured by the Dutch company Grimm and is renowned for its efficient and reliable performance. The Commander 1 can harvest up to 60 tons of cabbage per hour and can be adjusted to harvest different types of cabbages such as red, white, and Savoy. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.